The staff at La Quinta was very accommodating and friendly on our stay. The hotel is located in a good area and close to public transport. Only knew about this on my last day of my stay. The amenities provided at the stay were clean and fully functional. I would recommend to anyone. I loved the staff at the lobby. Everyone was friendly. I got to check in early. The rooms were clean and perfect. Amazing price. I'll be staying here every time I come to town. Thank you so much. Sincerely, a happy customer from Connecticut. The room was very quiet and privacy. It was our third time at this place and we like very much. The hospitality is A+. Very nice staff, and we have upgrade our room because initially Rook has same damages. Overall very good hotel. Breakfast had a nice variety, plenty for all. People were friendly. Elevators were very pretty. Clean, friendly, shuttle to the airport and inexpensive. Very friendly, professional, and helpful too. We stayed for 9 nights. I was staying with my 18-year-old son and 7-year-old daughter. I had booked and was later very skeptical after reading some recent negative reviews. However, I did not find anything negative to report at all. Everything was great. Room was clean, heaters working at their best, hot water, drains, etc. All were absolutely fine. Hotel staff were also really helpful. One particular member of reception staff, a really big guy, sorry for not remembering his name, who was on the evening shifts, was really nice and exceptionally helpful. Hotel is in a great location. We will visit again very soon. Wonderful stay. Great location and an amazing staff that treats you like a friend. Couldn't have picked a better place to stay. Everything perfect except driveway into complex construction next door, so road a mess. The room was clean, parking was nice, easily accessible, quiet area. The staff are wonderful. Great and spacious room. Service was good too. Very friendly staff. Like the place. Everything.